Red Lion's Graphite Core Controller series makes it easier than ever to integrate communication and control into factory automation and process control applications. It is designed to provide a single programming solution for control, networking, and data visualization. Thanks to its built-in web server, Red Lion's Crimson 3.0 software with Crimson Control functionality, and support for industry-standard IEC 61131 programming languages such as ladder logic, function block, structured text, and instruction list to develop logic code similar to a Programmable Logic Controller or Remote Telemetry Unit without any added expense. Additionally, a variety of I/O, PID control and communications modules are available to further expand functionality, allowing you to connect, monitor, and control a large assortment of devices regardless of application to meet specific application requirements. To top it all off, the Graphite Core Controller is built to last thanks to its rugged, all-metal construction and wide operating temperature range, allowing it to operate in even the harshest environments. You can view our full selection of Red Lion PLCs and more at Galco.com.